Hey everyone, welcome back. As you can see, we had success. We were able to get the car painted. Came out pretty good. I still got to paint all these parts on the floor over here. We'll do that tomorrow. But overall, went pretty well considering I wasn't able to strip the paint down. I didn't know what I was working with. I didn't know as far as what materials were on this car, how well things were going to go. It went pretty decent. Again, because I couldn't strip it, it's never going to be as good as I would like it to be, but we just don't have the budget to do that. So overall, that's fresh out of the gun. Looks pretty good. I'm hoping the customer is going to be happy. It's definitely better than when it rolled in here. So we'll get this thing out of the booth tomorrow morning, prep all the remaining pieces, stage everything, paint all of them, and then start reassembly. As I said, you can see it looks pretty good. Not bad. Not bad considering I wasn't able to do what I would have liked to have done to the car. Overall, pretty decent job. Quite a tricky color to spray. There is a lot of metallic in this color, and I mean a lot of silver flake. You can't really pick it up on the camera here, but there is a lot. So it was a bear to spray. But we'll get the rest of it done. We'll keep going, get this girl back together so we can move on to everything else that's in here. That Roadrunner is going to be a fun job. There's the fenders there for the Mustang. We still got to prep those, get them ready. But here she is. Paint job went well. Hopefully the rest of it goes well. Anyways, as always, like and subscribe. Questions, comments, feel free. See you guys.